Hello everybody, it's Mia and
Ricky,
yes. And we are a
Disney. We're
a Cinderella Wish, yes. And we're here at Fort Wilderness Lodge today. We're gonna take you on a little tour of the lodge. You got to see this area. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful, this area. There are nature trails to walk, and maybe we'll do that a little later. It is so hot today. It is in the 90s, but it's very muggy, very humid. Okay, so we'll take you inside. Come along, and let's see if we can also get a bite to eat. Let's go. Ricky and I are walking up to the lodge right now. Fort Wilderness Lodge. Look at the doors. Incredible. All the detail and magic that's put in to all these resorts are incredible. Let's show you around. It's rather dark in here. But it's quite beautiful. It's so cozy and warm. This place, especially around winter time, just seems very cozy and warm to me. They have that huge fireplace right over here where you can sit down and hang out by the fireplace and just relax. Have a glass of wine or some cocoa. Here are some rocks. Cross-bedded sandstone. Fossil raindrops. Silica pebbles. Quartzite. Limestone. So much. Quartz. So much to look at, I'm telling you, just in the lobby. Oh my goodness, look at these headpieces. Wow. Now this is a really long headpiece. This is where Artist Point is or was. We've eaten here before. We loved it. The character dining here is absolutely wonderful. Hopefully it'll open up again. We're not going in there, but we'll show you where Artist Point is. I want this. Look how cute. The Roaring Fork. Yeah, this is where we're eating today. And what are we gonna get? We are getting the 10-hour smoked pulled pork sandwich. That is looking mighty inviting, and we're gonna get one of these desserts. Which one shall we choose? Let me show you what we got to eat, because they make the best pork sandwiches ever. If you're at Fort Wilderness Lodge, you have to come here. Let me show you. So here's the pork sandwich. Ricky and I are gonna share it today. And here are fries and some coleslaw. And then we're gonna share this huge cupcake, specially made for the Fort Wilderness Lodge. Yummy. Okay, Ricky, you ready to eat? How is it, Ricky? Our food expert, Ricky, will let us know how it tastes. Is it good, Ricky, or no? Ricky, is it good?
Good.
It's so good that he has to pick it up with his hands. Okay, get closer to the table. Yum, Rick? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Okay. I have half the sandwich here. It's delicious. I love me some pulled pork sandwich. The pork is cooked just right. The sauce is not overwhelming. Not a lot of fat. I mean, so good. I'm gonna try some of the coleslaw. You can eat French fries? Sure. I like it. It doesn't taste like your store-bought. It tastes more like homemade. Ricky's eating the French fries. Look at the camera. Tell them, is it good?
Come and see cheese and French fries.
Is French fries good, Ricky?
French fries. Buy it.
Buy it?
French fries.
Oh, we bought it, right.
French fries.
We bought the French fries.
French fries.
Eat it.
Eat.
Eat it. So good, huh?
What did you guys think?
Awesome.
Isn't it great?
Oh, it's amazing. Even the coleslaw's good.
Yeah, I just don't like it on like him. In the same way I don't like the texture stuff.
No.
I don't like it soggy.
It wouldn't be good with this. I don't think.
No, I always do it on the side.
Exactly. I'm gonna finish up my pork sandwich, and Ricky's gonna finish up his fries, and then we're gonna get to our cupcake and see how good that is. Moving on to the cupcake next. These cupcakes have like little chocolate rocks on top. It's so good. Would you like a bite?
Bite.
Well, this is not Taste-O-Vision. I keep getting my cupcake pulled away from me by Ricky. So we're gonna have to let him try it very soon. But I'm gonna eat my half first because I know if I don't, he's gonna eat the whole thing and I'm not gonna be able to try a thing. I tried a piece of the chocolate cake. It's so good. With the cream on top, the frosting is so right. It's like almost like a cookies and cream. Yeah, it is almost like a cookies and cream. Oh, and in the middle, let me show you. So let's show you what's inside the cupcake. This delicious cream. Focus. Where do I have to go for you to focus? Oh, it's hard for you. It's hard for this camera to focus. My goodness. Does not want to focus when you come in too close. Okay. Wow. Anyway, let's get back to what's inside. So you see the cream, it's like a cookies and cream. And so it's very tasty, it's very good. And I'm going to finish up my portion and then I'm going to hand it over to Ricky.
Ricky.
Actually, I'm going to give Ricky a bite. Let's see what happens. How is it? How is it?
Cookies and cream cupcake.
It's a cookies and cream cupcake? Okay. You want some of the frosting in the rock? Oh. There's a little marshmallow there. Oh, this is chocolate. You want to try the little stick? Hold on. Give Ricky one more bite. Come on, Rick. Try the rock. Chocolate rock. Crunchy? Very crunchy. I forgot to mention, when you get the pulled pork sandwich, say you don't want any, you don't want the coleslaw, And what'll happen is you can go over there and ask for the coleslaw on the side, or they're going to put it on your sandwich if you say you want coleslaw. So I just recommend you say you don't want the coleslaw. They'll go up to the counter and say, okay, I said I didn't want my coleslaw, but I want it on the side. And there was no place for me to put it in the comment section because there was no comment section. So can you please give me coleslaw on the side, and they'll do it for you. Or else, imagine the coleslaw with the pork, it would have been too mushy. I prefer my coleslaw on the side. But if you like it on the sandwich, just leave as is. So we stepped out into the pool area. They have a pretty nice pool. And this is the Copper Creek pool. And Geyser Point, there's a bar here. It's Geyser Point Bar and Grill. And the boat transportation is to the left. They even have their own falls. Oh my goodness, look at the detail. Looks like there's some kind of construction going on here. A dry creek bed, or maybe that's all it is, just a dry creek. Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Really cool bar area. You just want to sit out here and enjoy, although they're working on something today. But what are they working on? Yes, indeed, it's a bit loud. I was not able to find out what they're working on or what they're doing exactly, but all I can tell you, it's really loud. What is this, a fire pit? Where you can hang out at night, just relax, have a drink, look at the water. We found out what's going on. There's a geyser there and the geyser's not working. So they're cleaning it out and they're getting the geyser to work again, and that's all that's going on. Okay, we won't get to see the geyser today, but maybe you will if you stay here. Here's some, what is this, moose tracks? Deer tracks? There seems to be all different types of tracks around here. We're just going to keep going forward. Take a look at what this is. Boulder Ridge Railway and Mining Co. So cool. Neato. This is an adventure itself. There's so much back here. Boulder Ridge Cove. Oh, there's a pool back here. Wow, fun. Back here there is a water tower. Reminds me of Petticoat Junction. Yes, I'm dating myself again. Yeah, Petticoat Junction. If you haven't seen it, look it up. It shows a water tank with three girls, young girls in the water tank. Either they were swimming or taking a bath. I'm not quite sure what they use the water tank for. Reunion Station. Please use main entrance. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's crafts. Oh, wow, how fun. What else is here? Is it open? No, it's locked. It's locked. Like the sign says, come back later. Let's go over here. Oh my God, look at the beautiful trees. And this area is closed, but it's a dock, boat dock. Where to go next? There's so many places to go. Let's go this way. To the left, to the Cascade Cabins. You know, I can stay here 8 hours and just video everything, and I don't think I'd get everything. So here we have the cabins back here, just like the sign says. There are cabins back here. Amazingly beautiful. I'd like to stay in one of these cabins. How about you? Ricky, would you like to stay in the cabin? Yes or no? Yes? All right. Here's the bridge. Hey, Ricky, you want to go this way? Look at all this nature around us. Ricky, come here, buddy. So across from the cabin, there are these rooms. I think if I were staying, I would like to stay on the upper level so I can see everything. To be quite honest, I wouldn't want my room open in this area because I'm deadly afraid of snakes. Afraid. The alligators, not so much, but the snakes, don't like it. Mostly the deadly ones, but really, actually I don't like any snakes. And that's the truth. I wouldn't harm one. It can stay in its environment. I don't care, but don't come to my environment. So the daily activities at the resorts are here. Poolside activities, special craft, Mickey tie-dye signature craft, reunion station activities, movie under the stars. Still hearing that very loud noise because they're working on the property, on the geyser. But we're at the pool area once again. And this pool has a really cool slide. Here comes a little one. Whee! Fun! What's up here? In this cave area. Yeah, let's walk up here and see what's up here. Actually, what's up here is a little bridge leading to the rooms. Woo! Where's my Ricky? There he is. All right, Rick, ready to go back inside? Ready to go back inside, Ricky? Yeah. Here are the elevators. We'll take a little trip on the elevator. 7. And this is an Otis elevator. People must say, wow, these two are nutty on the elevator, recording the elevator. Well, that's what Ricky loves. See, he's recording. Okay, we're at level 7. And we're gonna go back downstairs to the lobby. Well, while we're here, let's go take a walk through the areas where the room areas. What's up here? Oh, you can see everything from here. Cool. You can see the whole lobby from here. There's our American flag. Look at this. Now this, come to level 7 on the elevator. And you can sit here and just relax up here. Oh my God, look at the chandeliers, or lamps. They are incredible. And the carvings on the poles, that is that a leopard? A lion? There's an owl? There's some rams over there and a wolf somewhere around there. A lot of Native American detail or inspired detail. Okay, we're going back down. Lobby. Here's Ricky recording. I'm glad he's recording, because really, I'm not an elevator person. I do this for him, really. Not me, for him. Okay, we're going into the mercantile. Gosh, look at this. How do you open this? Do you open it? Oh. Is Snow's heart in here? Nope. Not here. Because the woodsman never got Snow's heart. Because he had a heart. So, we got Smokey the Bear. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Ricky, how much is this cup?
$16.99.
$16.99? I love it. Oh, and here's the magnets. You're into magnets? This is a nice one. Nice frame. Oh, I love this t-shirt. I must find out how much it is. Oh, super cute. Chippendale and Bambi. Baby Bambi. Oh, cool. I got myself two things. I lost these pair of glasses that I had that was Disney. It has these little sparkly crystals on it with Mickey. I'll show you when I get to the car. And I had to buy the Snow White t-shirt. I had to get that t-shirt. I just had to. Anyway, we're heading into an area that we've never seen before, but it's all about Walt Disney. So if you love Walt Disney, stay with us, because we don't know where this place is, but we're gonna find it. I think we're going, oh no, I think it's this way, Rick. I think we gotta go this way. Where are you, Rick? I don't see you, buddy. There you are. Oh my goodness, it is so hot and humid today. So hot and humid. It's crazy. All right, I think it's to the right. Oh no, it's the wooden bridge. We have to cross the wooden bridge. Oh gee, I see trains. Conductor hat. I think we're getting warmer. So we found the room. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? It is. Wait until you find out what this is. This is amazing. It says Carrollwood Pacific train cars, circa 1950. Before the Disneyland Railroad existed, there was the Carrollwood Pacific, 1/8 scale steam railroad Walt Disney designed for his family home in Los Angeles. These original freight cars, built by the first Walt Disney Imagineer Roger Broggie, yes, brought great joy to Walt and anyone who visited his 5-acre property on Carrollwood Drive. Oh my goodness, courtesy of the Walt Disney Family Foundation. Wow, just to be standing here. Ricky, stand right there. Stand right here, honey. Stand here, turn around. Turn around. Wow. Ricky, look at this. This was built for Mr. Walt Disney. And it was at his home. It's a little emotional. Getting a little teary-eyed in here. Goodness, look at the train. This is the Lily Bell. Carrollwood Pacific Railroad. Walt Disney 1901, Centennial 2001. Look at the sketch. Oh, and there's Walt. Walt loves trains. He did love trains. Look at Walt on the train. Oh, there's a light coming in. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'd love to have been on the property there, riding with Walt on the train. I would cut in line, say, kids, me first. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Here's a map, and it shows Mickey, like in California. Here's Florida, Mickey and Minnie. Mickey and Minnie eating, what is that, watermelon? First I thought it was a taco. Oops. Here's Donald with the burrito. And Mickey and Pluto on the trails. Yes, we're heading to the elevators. And my camera battery is dying, so I am not going to film these elevators, but Ricky is on his camera, on his phone. So all the way back here, if you keep walking past the buses, and then you're gonna cross the street, there is an awesome trail there, and you'll get to see some wildlife, deer, well, we've only seen really deer there and some squirrels, but you'll be able to see some wildlife. You can go and take a walk through that path. It's good exercise, and you never know what you might see. This is just a wonderful place to stay. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber already, consider subscribing. It'll help our channel to grow. Right, Ricky? Yeah, Ricky loves all you guys. Sends everybody kisses. Rick, you can take your mask off, honey. You take your mask off. Take your mask off, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Okay, well, from a Cinderella wish, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, everybody. Mwah, to everybody. You send everybody kisses, Rick? No? Big hug? Bear hug? Hug. Hug. Bear hug. There you go. All right, bye. It's raining. It's not pouring, but it is raining. And as long as there's no lightning, I'm good. I don't mind the rain at all. Cool us off, right, Rick? Yeah. Use your words, Ricky. No humming, hon. Okay. To show you guys how wet it is out here. But Ricky's just so happy. There's those raindrops. Let's go, buddy. Let's go back to our car. It started pouring, but before we go, I'll show you a little bit glimpse of the rain, but I want to show you what I purchased at Fort Wilderness Lodge. Here's the rain coming down. Isn't it lovely? Love it. Okay, let me show you. Before the camera dies, I got these glasses, and hold it, and then I got this t-shirt, Snow White. Isn't it cute? I love it. All right, that's a beautiful song, Ricky. Now what? Now what do you do? Show everybody.
D.
Oh, you press the D? Okay. Press it. Go ahead.
E.
Oh, it gives it a different sound. Okay. F.
B.
B. Wow, Ricky, very good. Everybody's gonna like that tune. Now what?
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
B.
B.